Welcome to LedgerShiftAI. We're all about breaking down complex topics into insights you can actually use. Is your finance team stuck chasing numbers instead of driving strategy and shaping the future of the business? So many teams are buried under manual tasks, constantly jumping between disconnected systems just to keep data in sync. Now, what if AI could eliminate the chaos and transform your team into a high-performing strategic powerhouse? Let's get into it. We're taking a strategic journey up the finance ladder to see this transformation unfold. We'll see how Microsoft Copilot is changing the game for everyone in accounting, from staff accountants to the chief financial officer. Before we move into the future, we need to clearly understand where we stand today and what's limiting our progress. Let's look at the traditional, and let's be honest, painfully inefficient world of managing accounts receivable workflows. The old way of managing accounts receivable is a total grind, for teams are buried under endless, tedious manual matching tasks. This creates black holes of unapplied cash and drives your days sales outstanding higher, impacting cash flow and liquidity. But collections becomes a reactive game of chasing customers down with endless, manual, repetitive email follow-up. This doesn't just waste time. It directly erodes a company's cash flow and overall financial stability. Enough with doing things the old way. Let's talk about a solution that's built from the ground up for accounting professionals. Think of it as an intelligent partner that handles the heavy lifting, bringing you to focus on smarter, higher value work. Think of it as an intelligent partner that handles the heavy lifting, bringing you to focus on smarter, higher value work. Any generative AI can draft an email, but a specialized finance AI operates on a completely different level of intelligence and precision. It speaks the language of business, deeply understanding and interpreting the nuances of the entire order-to-cash cycle. Its real power lies in its financial IQ, because it's not a separate program. It's embedded directly into where your work happens. It can operate as a sidecar assistant in Outlook or be seamlessly embedded directly into your financial systems. Copilot can operate as an intelligent background agent, seamlessly automating and orchestrating tasks across multiple systems. Let's see how this fundamentally transforms the day-to-day work of a staff accountant on the front lines. Before, the staff accountant was stuck manually digging through accounts and drafting the same reminder emails over and over again. With Copilot, Outlook becomes a real-time command center, seamlessly connecting your email to your core ERP system. Whether you use Dynamics or SAP, the accountant stays in a seamless, uninterrupted workflow without switching systems. First, Copilot does most of the heavy lifting, instantly surfacing all relevant invoice data with complete context. Then generative AI kicks in, drafting polished, personalized emails instantly without relying on stale, generic templates. The accountant performs a quick review, hits send, and everything is seamlessly captured and logged back into the ERP. One study found that custom AR assistants can reduce manual work by as much as 70 to 90%, dramatically improving efficiency. Take a moment and really think about that. What could your team achieve with all that time back to focus on higher value work? Now let's climb up to the controller. This is where the focus is on accuracy, control, and financial governance. The month-end close, which was once a frantic marathon, is now transformed into a calm, controlled, and highly streamlined process. Instead of manually checking every transaction, they focus only on high-risk exceptions proactively flagged by AI in real time. Microsoft's own team saw tasks that once took 2 hours reduced to just 10 minutes, which is an extraordinary efficiency gain. For the chief financial officer, the game is about steering the enterprise with precise, data-driven decisions. The conversation shifts from what happened last quarter to what's coming next and how do we strategically respond. When collections accelerate, days sales outstanding drops, cash flow surges, and liquidity strengthens because cash is king. This isn't just software. It's a proactive, strategic engine driving smarter decisions across the entire business. What could you achieve if your sharpest minds were free to focus on what's next for growth, strategy, and competitive advantage? Please help us grow this channel. Like and subscribe to LedgerShift AI. Thanks for watching.